A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Previously, we discussed how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala replaces some verses with others and how some Jews, Christians, and disbelievers mocked this idea. Today, we will focus on understanding the profound wisdom behind Allah's decision and how they reflect His mercy and knowledge. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala changed the command? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says we bring better than it or similar to it. Firstly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Allah, He can do anything. And this was to test the believer who will follow Allah, His Prophet, and who will follow His desires. New command is more beneficial. And how the new command is better than the previous one? The command may be easier, it brings more reward, or it shows true submission of the believer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Anna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. This part of the verse is a powerful reminder of Allah's absolute power and authority. It emphasizes that whatever Allah decides, whether abrogating a verse, changing a command, or allowing something to happen, is within His complete control and wisdom. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the power to bring new rulings, better guidance, or anything He wills. His ability to create, replace, or manage all matters is absolute. The verse talks about Allah's wisdom changing or replacing some verses or commands in the Quran when needed. It says that when Allah removes or forgets a verse, He gives something better or just as good in its place. This happens because Allah knows what is best for people at different times. Therefore, it teaches us to trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because He knows everything and always gives us what's good for us even if we don't understand it right away.